In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the built-in ruler on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. So you're going to start by opening the Settings app. Then you want to scroll and select Display. Under Display, ensure that Edge panels are currently enabled, then tap on it, and then select Panels. From here, ensure that one of your Edge panels selected is Tools, and once you've done that, you can now go ahead and start using the built-in ruler. Now to bring it up, simply swipe to bring up your Edge panels, and when you get to the Tools panel, just tap on the three dots in the top right corner and choose Ruler. Once you've done that, you can see your ruler panel right here. So now all you need to do is simply just choose whether you want it in inches or in centimeters, and you can choose to either calibrate it, which means making it smaller or making it bigger. It's completely up to you. Again, you can calibrate whether you're using inches or centimeters. So here you have your Edge panel. And so that is how you can use the built-in ruler on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.